Says when doing a long cook over 36 hours, the meat seems to develop a foul odor. What is the best way to avoid this? Quickly blanching the meat in boiling water first. And yes, that is the best way to avoid it. It's lactobacillus. It's harmless. It is, I think it's found in cheese a lot as well, stinky cheese, but it smells really bad, and from my experience, it seems to be in the air in certain places. I've never run into it, despite having cooked hundreds of sous vide meals now. Some people run into it almost every time they cook, and I think it's just what's in the environment of their kitchen. They probably eat more cheese than I do. Um, but if you run into that, or if you just want to be safe so you don't run into it, you can dunk the meat in boiling water for 5 to 10 seconds before you sous vide it, and it'll kill anything on the outside. I have a link we can paste below that goes to the why to boil your sous vide food first. But it's something, if you run into issues, it only happens, I think, over 24 or 30 hours, but lactobacillus can grow in the higher sous vide temperatures where the dangerous bacteria can't grow at those temperatures. So it's not bad for you, it just smells horrible.